An insurance company selected 2,000 drivers at random in a particular city to find a relationship between age and accidents. The data obtained are given in the following table: age of drivers, accidents in 1 year. Find the probability of the following events for a driver chosen at random from the life city: being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year, being 30 to 50 years of age and having 1 or more accidents in a year, having no accidents in 1 year. In this question, some insurance companies there selected 2,000 drivers at random and used them to find the relationship between age and accidents. The data is given in this table, and using this table, the probability of some events we need to find out. Now let's get started. We have given the total number of drivers, which we can take as total number of outcomes here, and let's represent it by n of s, which is equal to 2,000. Now we have to find the probability of these events. For the first one, it is the drivers with age 18 to 29, and they have done exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. Look at the table, it's 18 to 29, and let's go to number of accidents, which is 3 here. So we get the number of favorable outcome as 61. Now let's represent this event as E1. So the favorable outcome can be written as n of E1 because the event is E1, which is equal to 61. Now using this, we can find out the probability for this particular event. We know that probability of any event is equal to number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. So for PE1, we can write down n of E1 over number of drivers, the total number of drivers, that is n of s. So this can be written as 61 over 2,000. So that's the probability for the first event. Now let's move to the second event, in which the age of drivers is 30 to 50 and accidents is 1 or more in 1 year. So let's go to the age, that's 30 to 50. 1 or more means number of accidents. 1 is 125, for 2 it's 60, for 3 it's 22, and for over 3 it's 18. So in this case, let us assume that event is E2. So number of E2 is, that is number of favorable outcome for this particular event, is sum of 125, 60, 22 and 18, which is equal to 225. Using this, we can find out probability for this particular event. We have already explained the formula here. So in this case, we can use number of E2, n of E2 over n of s, which is equal to 225 over 2,000. And this can be simplified to 9 over 80. Now let's move to the third one, having no accident in a year. Now no accident means, let's go to the table and have a look. 0 accidents. Here age does not matter, we just need to take into consideration that no accident occurred, no matter what's the age. So 440, 505 and 360. So let us assume this event as E3, which is our favorable outcome, and number of favorable outcome for this event is n of E3, which is sum of 440, 505 and 360, which is equal to 1305. Using this, we can find out the probability for this particular event as well, which is equal to ratio of n of E3 over n of S, which is equal to 1305 over 2000, which is simplified to 261 over 400.